Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing the first part of my dad's Leatherman Super Tool rebuild. We're going to be getting everything disassembled, and with that I'll have video evidence of what I need to do so I won't forget. And we'll take it from there on trying to figure out what needs to be replaced, what I can clean up and reuse, and put everything back together again. So first things first, I really should have bought two of these. I'm so tempted to run to Home Depot before I even continue, but it's already 5:30 on a Sunday, and it's like, I don't want to go out. I bought these Vise-Grips. I'm gripping onto the one with the lanyard loop first, because it has the most to grip onto, because I'm also kind of using the lanyard loop as like a little stop so it doesn't pop off. And as you can see, I've started to raise this up a little bit, and I'm not going to do it in real time. I'll do it a little bit. I'll edit it so it's faster. But basically what I'm doing is I'm holding it with the vice grip, and I'm taking the Gerber dime, and I'm just turning and turning, and oh, it's almost finger loose. There we go. And one down. So we'll go from there, and I'll pop in if I see anything, but yeah, if I have anything to let you know about, I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, now we have a plier head that I can operate with my finger. So we'll get the other arm off, and then we'll totally inspect the plier head. I'm still a little perturbed with this plier head because I'm wondering if I could fix these wire cutters or not. If I have to get a whole new plier head, it kind of is what it is. I found them on eBay, but I'd prefer it to, keep it as original as possible, but we'll see. I'll come back when I get the other side off. And there we have it. The plier head is now disassembled, and I can try to decide whether or not I'm just going to clean it up, or look at the rust in there. I could try to clean it up, or I could just go for the whole new one. I'm really tempted just to get a new one, just for the sake of the wire cutters being good and just bypassing all of this rust. I mean, I don't intend to throw these parts out because why? I guess I could just keep them in a Ziploc bag somewhere, but I mean, this thing has been through hell and back. It really would take a lot for me to bring this back, when I think it would just be easier to just get a whole new head for it. But all right, let's take the tools apart. We'll get these two out and see how those look. Before I take this arm apart, I just wanted to get the tools in order so I know what they are. There's the file, the medium flathead screwdriver, the awl, and the large flathead screwdriver stuck to the other side of the file, and the knife. So look at that arm in there, nice and crusty. All right, let's get this pin out. I've been trying for a while, and I'm just unable to get this on both sides. I think something must be rusty inside, and I've tried every multi-tool that I have, and the only thing that really sits on here well is the Vise-Grips. So what I did was I ordered another pair of Vise-Grips off Amazon, and I mean, they're only $9 or $10, and I'm gonna wait until those come in and then resume trying to take these apart, because I'm just destroying these, constantly jumping off of them. No matter what pair of pliers that I use to try to get these off, it just won't turn, or it jumps off. So I'm gonna see. This is what I was using before, and I don't know, I just can't get it. I'm gonna take a break here. This will be I guess the first video in the series, or the second video in the series. I'll get the rest of this undone in a couple of days, I guess, because that's when the next pair of Vise-Grips were coming. I knew that I should have ordered two, And before I totally destroy these with Weatherman pliers or Gerber pliers or whatever, and it gets even more difficult to take them apart, I'm just going to stop here and wait a couple days until these come in. I assume that there's got to be rust in here or something that's making this so much more difficult than the the plier head part was. But I've been going at both of these for a while, and I don't want to go too much farther. Otherwise, I'm just going to destroy them or make it a lot more difficult if the heads strip to get in. So, we got the plier head off. We got all these out. And I think what we'll do is we'll take a couple-day break, and I will go from there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day, and take it easy.